What is this? Are you just washing this car? What is this? I told you I have a meeting this morning and you're just washing this car? I'm asking you. And if it is to ask for money, you'll be very fast in doing it. Just to wash a car for me, it has become a problem. You delay in doing that. I feed you, I clothe both of you in this house. All you do in return is attending to my needs late. Get out from that place, get out. I said get out. I told you I have a meeting and you're delaying me. Anyway, I don't expect you to be useful to me because you are not even useful to yourself. Nonsense.
Ben, how far now?
Man, I'm not good, bro. You know that job I told you about now?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to go for interview this morning. I need transport. I don't have anything. I don't need to be late. And if I'm late, you know now, I will lose the job. I need 2,000 naira to go. And I don't have anything on me, eh? So check well. I don't have. But have you tried talking to bros? Maybe he can help you with small things. 2,000 naira is not a big money now. Solo, no. You know now. Asking bro for money now is just like we are going for a war front. It's a two-way thing. If you ask him, is either he tells you he does not have or he gives to you. So just try. Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Just try. I'll get back to you.
All right. No wahala.
Bro.
What is it?
I need a favor from you.
Favor.
I'm supposed to go for interview this morning. I need 2,000 naira for transport, please.
What do you need a job for? Is there anything you're providing in this house? I feed you, I clothe you, there's a roof over your head. What do you need a job for? No, you see how ungrateful you are? No, you see how ungrateful you are? What are you looking for a job? If another person hear you now, it will sound as if I don't help you. I don't feed you in this house. Anyway, if you insist on going to get a job, no problem. As for me, I don't have 2,000 naira to give you. Wherever I have gotten to in this life today, I helped myself. I struggled through to get it. Nobody gave me a dime. So go and struggle, go and look for 2,000 naira to get a job. If you insist on getting a job, get out. Go and open the gate.
Some of you are just evil.
Open the gate for me.
Waiter, sir. Please come. How much is my bill?
350 and 420, sir.
Only? Oh, we didn't drink much.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
So what's up?
You remember I told you about my GLE? So it just arrived. I need 4 million naira to complete my money to clear it.
That's all?
Yes. Yeah, that's all.
Why are you saying that now? It's nothing.
Oh, wow.
I like my friends driving the best car.
Wow.
So your GLA coming to town is the best thing that can happen to anybody.
Wow.
So can I transfer to that account number?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, it's done. You have it.
Thank you very much.
Once my friends drive the best car, I am happy.
Wow. I really appreciate it.
It's all right. Come on, take your drink.
Okay. It's okay. Friend, you drink a lot.
You drink a lot.
What will I do? Let's go. Where is this boy now? How many hours will it take you to get me my food? What is the delay for?
No, I was trying to microwave the food. At least it should be hot.
For how many hours? Until I pass out before you give me my food? Where is the water? What is the water for my washing? Come here. Bend down. Don't give me an idiot. Why do you have to drop this water on the floor? So I need to drop my hand on the floor before washing my hands. Are you okay? Beg this water. On your knees. What is this?
Can I know my own friend? Very wicked man. I feel
I think you guys are getting overfed in this house. You guys are getting overfed in this house. Don't worry. Take it inside. Get out. If I need it, I will call you back. Get out. Nonsense. Hello.
The calculation.
Yeah.
I've been trying to reach you for some hours now. I've been trying to reach you. To cut the all long story short, I'm in a hospital right now. I've been diagnosed of kidney failure, and the doctor is asking me to bring 2 million naira for surgery. Hello? Hello? Hello?
How is he feeling now?
It's stable for the now.
Okay. Young man, how are you? Have you been able to call any friend, family members or relative?
Although he has been making calls.
Oh, it's fine. You'll be okay, right? So just take his record and you bring it to the office.
Okay, sir.
Victor, why did you allow the sickness to get to this point before you called us?
I didn't know what to do anymore. I was confused.
No, don't cry. It's okay. Calm down. Don't cry. We are brothers.
Brother, you're talking about brothers. Is he our brother?
Sulu is our brother.
We are not family. You can't be talking about family after what this non-entity did to us. This boy is my immediate younger brother. I went through hell in your house. I served you food as if I was your maid. You knocked my head, forgetting the fact that I'm your older brother. You're telling me it's my family? No. You are lucky you didn't call me. Because if you had called me, I wouldn't have picked your call. And let me tell you, if you die now, you see the cow for your burial, I will pay for it. Your casket, I will pay for it. I swear, I feel like diving in. Let me pray this man. No, let me pray this man. Let me take you some blessings. No, let me don't need this attitude. Why don't die?
Remember, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. You don't pay evil with evil. Remember, is our younger brother, our last born. Just a prodigal son, does not know what he's doing. Calm down now. Let us forgive him. For me, I've already forgiven him. Please, I'm begging you as your senior brother. Please, forgive him.
Brother, I will clear the bill.
Thank you.
I will pay everything.
Thank you.
But you do me.
It's okay.
You do me.
It's okay, please. Just calm down.
Ew.
Calm down. What is going to You'll be fine. Nothing will happen to you.
Of all the people that I helped, no one came through for me. But my family that I despised, disrespected, and abandoned, they are the one coming through for me. Support your family when you have the strength to do so. Treat your family well.